How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Pandem Rocket Bunny NA Miata kit. We'll get right into that, but let me brief you on it. If you want this kit, there are replica kits out there, but if you want this specific kit, there are a few vendors that will get them for you. I got mine through Grady. I know there's a few others, but you may have to wait some time to get them from the source in Japan. This kit in particular, I waited about 2 months to get. So if you have the patience for it, I would say go ahead and get it. There are, like I said, replica kits out there, but if you want that good quality fit, I would go ahead and just bite the bullet and do it right the first time. And my little buddy wants to say hi. This is Tyga. He's gonna be my helper today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so let's get started and let's start unpackaging this stuff. I do want to say stay tuned, because I will reveal the wheels that I got for the new setup coming on, so stick with me and you guys will check it out. So for this kit, it's a 6-piece wide body kit, and then let me go ahead and run down the things that come in the box when you get it. So just for starts, you get a pretty cool keychain. Pandem Rocket Bunny, it's pretty neat. You get that. You get the instructions. So you get, yeah, those are the instructions. So we got our work cut out for us. No pun intended. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes when the time comes. So you get hardware. Here goes your hardware kit right there. You get some pretty cool decals. Not sure if I'll put those on the car. I like to, for the most part, keep the car clean of stickers or anything like that. But yeah, you get a couple pretty cool decals. So this right here is the front lip. So go ahead and cut this bad boy open. So over here fighting this dang thing. At least it's packaged well, right? For $2,000, it better be packaged well. Alright, so get past the bubble wrap. Get to the lip, pack the heck out of this thing. Tiger. Alright, so here's the lip. Go ahead and just take it out. Might as well. I came this far, right? So here's the lip. Now this kit it's fiber reinforced plastic. This is my first time putting any kind of body kit on the car, so I didn't know what to expect in terms of like quality, but yeah, I mean it feels like plastic. So we'll see how durable it is when it's actually on. Seems pretty cool. Alright, let's move on. Let's see. This is the ducktail spoiler. Well, that was easy. Sure. Tearing the kit up. So here's the ducktail spoiler. Sounds very tinny. Like I said, I've never put any kind of body kit or anything on my car, so I didn't know what to expect in terms of quality or anything like that. But again, I went ahead and went with the real thing instead of a replica kit, just because I didn't want to run into any fitment issues or have to do so much to get it to fit properly. So there's the spoiler. Let's move on to the over fenders. Oh, before I move on to that, one thing that you should know if you are interested in getting this kit for your car, or if you have another car and there's a Rocket Bunny kit, just keep in mind that in Japan there's no, I guess from what I understand, there's no law on a third brake light. If you are familiar with the NA Miata, the third brake light normally is in the trunk, and so this spoiler is going to cover that third brake light. So if you don't want to run into any trouble, you'll either have to cut this spoiler to allow your third brake light to be shown, or in my case, I didn't want to go that route. I'm going to try to mount a third brake light inside of the cabin of my car on the hardtop somewhere. Yeah, so just keep that in mind if you're interested in this kit. And if that's something you're not really concerned about, you know, getting pulled over and stuff like that, then hey, take a chance. You know, I've heard people say that they never really get in trouble for that or get pulled over for it. And then of course there's the other side of the coin where there are those people that get a fix-it ticket for it. So just to avoid anything like that, I'm just gonna try to rig something up. I don't want to cut that though. It's too much, too expensive. So let's continue. These are the over fenders. They really secure this kit. I'm telling you right now, this is a workout. Okay, so there is a rear fender, quarter panel right there. I want to say these extend the rear of the car by 70 millimeters, so we get some wide wheels back there. There's a front driver's side fender right there. Open these two up off camera because I'm tired after that. So coming up, here's the big reveal. You ready for it? You ready? You ready? All right, and that's it, guys. See you next time. Okay. All right. So these are the wheels right here. Tiger, should I do it? Okay, I'll do it. You guys go. These are the new wheel setup that I will be putting on the Miata. These are replicas. They're Watanabe replicas, just for the fact that the original wheels are like upwards of like 25 to 300, 25 to $3,000. So these are, I'll give you guys a wheel breakdown, 15 by 10s. The offset on these are -25. I do have wheel spacers for the rear. I have 15 millimeter wheel spacers. Tiger, will you get out of the shop, please? Thank you. Yeah, I got wheel spacers for the wheel, for the rear. And those are, like I said, 15 millimeters. So the effective offset will be -40 on the rear, -25 on the front. The tires that I am running, or will be running, are Hankook Ventus RS4s. They're 245s, 40 15s. I do have some some Watanabe center caps for these that I will be putting on there. I just have to do a little like modification to them to get them to fit. These should come out really nice. And that's about it, guys. Once again, if you stayed this long in the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please go ahead and leave a like, a comment. Please subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Stay tuned. Take care.